G'day guys, Adam here from Get Camping. Well, we're down here at Tiwa Beach on the Sunshine Coast, enjoying a beautiful day out with the family. But we're also doing a review on the Peggy Peg L. So the Peggy Peg L is a large sand peg, suitable for obviously sand and also soft ground. We're going to be showing you how to use it, and also I'm going to give you my review at the end.
Cool.
All right, let's take a look at the main differences between the Peggy Peg L and the normal Peggy Peg. Two main differences are obviously the length and also the width, right? So Peggy Peg being super wide and super long, designed for super soft ground such as the beach. Now the Peggy Peg normal is designed for firm ground, so firm sand or grass, mud, that sort of stuff. It uses the same sort of collar system at the top for your guy ropes. Now when you're installing these into the ground, you want to screw them in so they're nice and firm, but not over tightening them, and then adjust the collar all the way down to the ground level. That's going to give you maximum purchasing ability of the actual peg. One thing I really love about the Peggy Peg system is that it uses the same 17mm head across its entire system. That means you don't have to change tools when you're changing between pegs. So there's a couple of different ways you can install these Peggy Pegs. So the first way is by hand. So if you buy their starter kit, it includes a little hand tool and you can actually hand tighten that into the ground. It's not that difficult, but when you've got lots to do, it sort of does slow the process down a bit. Personally, I like to use the drill. I've always sort of got one in the back of my car or my sort of a caravan. So that's what I'm going to be using. Hot little tip for you, when you're on super soft ground like this, just push a bit of the sand away to the side. And that just allows you to get down to the firmer stuff straight away. So simply just put the peg on a bit of an angle, put the drill in. Now I've got my drill set to about a torque setting of about 14. You don't want to over tighten these, so sort of simply just screw that in, and you can hear it when it sort of starts to get quite firm. And FYI, you come to Tiwa, there's lots of March flies, so just be careful. So once it's all nice and firmly in, we get the blue collar and we clip that on, and we get as low as we possibly can down to the ground. So once that's on, then we can connect our guy rope. So once we connect our guy rope, it's got done by another March fly, tighten that up, and that is not going anywhere. Well, there you have it guys, there is the Peggy Peg L. I really love these. These are going to be staying in the four-wheel drive. I'm going to be throwing out my hammer-in pegs. These are just so good. They're far superior than the hammer-in. I don't have to carry a lumpy, heavy hammer around. They're just, the ground holding ability is fantastic. It works with all their other kits as well. So, look, you can buy their starter kit, which has a heap of pegs in it, or you can just buy, different packs. They hold the awning down really, really well. Like, we're down here today, and it's not exactly blowing its head off, but there's a fair bit of wind around, and this awning has not moved at all. It's absolutely brilliant. These are available in a 2-pack, and then you can also buy aluminium ones of these as well. So it's something to sort of look into if you're sort of, looking for something a little bit more durable. Even though these are super durable, we've been using the standard Peggy Pegs for quite some time now and absolutely love them. If you've got any questions, comments, leave them in the description below. And also, if you head over to peggypeg.com.au, go out and check their products out. And I'm going to leave you guys there and with some footage of Tiwa Beach. Catch you in the next one, guys. Cheers.